Welcome, everybody. How are you enjoying your holiday weekend? Welcome, to Destination Jamaica. Now, we had to jump on to give you some updates as it relates to Carifta 2025. We do have the great Shelley and Fraser running at another event called the Velocity Fest, and we hope to update you a little later on after she runs. Now let's talk about the highlights from Carifta 2025. How Jamaica do? Now Team Jamaica made a powerful statement on the opening day of the 52nd Carifta Track and Field Championships, capturing two medals, a gold and a silver thus far. So this was this morning at the Hasley Crawford Stadium in Port of Spain. Rising high jumper Sakora Palmer soared to victory in the under 17 girls high jump, clearing 1.71 meter to secure Jamaica's first gold of the meet. It was a tightly contested battle with Barbados' Shania, who cleared 1.71 meter, but Palmer claimed the win on the countback. Destiny Sinak of St. Lucia rounding out the podium with a leap of 1.68 meter. In the field events, Jamaica's Jamie Tulloch earned silver in the under 17 girls shot put, throwing 13.02 meter. The event was won by Cayman Islands' Gabriella Linton, who claimed gold with a solid 14.07 effort. Jamaica's Devika Lewis finished 8th with a best of 11.22. Now the highlights from the other events are as follows. Ajora Campbell and Sabrina Dockery both advanced in the 100 meter, that's the under 17 and under 20 respectively. Now Campbell clocked 11.58 and Dockery 11.47 seconds. Shania Douglas led under 20 girls qualifiers with 11.45 seconds. Michael Graham and Jadon Collins are through to the under 20 boys 100-meter final, with the times being 10.89 and 10.93 seconds. Taj White and Marshina Rose advanced in the under 20 boys 400 meter, their times being 47.20 to White, and Rose he got 48.27 seconds. In the girls 400 meter, Abrina Wright, Siobhan Thomas, and Shamika McLean, as well as Tracy and Evans, all secured spots in their respective finals. Dwayne Sharp was the lone Jamaican to advance in the under 17 boys 400 meter. At the end of the morning session, Bahamas leads the medal table with 2 gold and 2 silver, followed by Cayman Islands with 1 gold. Jamaica's strong showing in the heats sets the stage for a medal-packed evening as the island's young stars aim to extend their legacy of regional dominance and defend them title. So that's it for now. We just had to give you that quick update. We plan to keep you updated over the weekend, God's willing. Now remember to share, subscribe, comment, like up the thing. We'll talk pretty soon.